Just went out. So I'm in Dublin Castle in Garden Town. I'm showing this riverside property with some ecolodges. I'll be here until about 2:30. But I was really excited when I came. Well, I was expecting it because we had rains recently. This is a waterfall right here that I spoke about in my last live video. Really excited to see that it's actually here. Look at that. I mean, it's not much of a bathing pool, but I can imagine if it rains a lot more, what you'd have right here. This is the main building on the property. It's a split level 2-bedroom cottage. And the river course goes that way. My last video too, I didn't have access to this cottage here, so I'm actually going to do a tour of the cottage right now. Step up from a waterfall. So this is a vantage point from the entrance to the main building, which is here. Right? Let's give you the idea of the layout. So that's the ground floor. And I'm going upstairs. So that's one entrance downstairs, and then this. Okay, it seems like I lost you guys for a while, but this is the second entrance after coming up the steps. Right, to your right, there is this alternative entrance. Right, just a view of the environs. There's some other cottages nearby. And this will be the vantage point from this little bridge that takes you to the cabin. Alright, so let's go back through here to the right. You have a little laundry area. So this is where you came up the steps to here. And to your right, there's that exit door. Come through here. I guess this is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. Yeah, this is a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, right? And then you have your closet space right here, and you have a deck out here. So that's one bedroom, and that was the second bathroom that we saw, right? So to the left, upon coming up the steps, you'd have your first bedroom. And I believe if you go around here, come to the laundry area, and you access another bathroom right here. So that's a total of 3 bathrooms now. A little study right here. There's another door here that takes you to the tanks. Right? A study right here. And through this door, which was inadvertently locked, there's another bedroom which has its own little balcony as well. Let me see if I can see the balcony from this one over here. Right, so it will take you to this little deck patio, which is overlooking the waterfall. Right, let me show you the vantage point from here. So there is the waterfall right there, river course looking down there, and the rest of the property stretches beyond those trees. That's pretty much the layout. Right up there where you see those trees are, that's along the main road. So the main road runs up there. Let me show you. There, along there, that's the main road. and the rest of the property stretches beyond there. Right, so I don't know what time it is. I had a 12 o'clock appointment. No one's here yet. But I have the location pin available if you do wish to come up. I'm only talking to one person though. Hey, Nats, the scene says you. What's up? I know you never get to see the last tour, so you're getting to see this one. Of the main building up here in Dublin Castle, Garden Town. Yep. So I'm going to sign out now while I wait on these folks to come. I will just sit here, drink some water, and read a book. Yes. Alright guys, thanks for joining. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.